This is an amazing question. We have a rectangle whose length is 20 units and whose width is x. Inside this rectangle, there are two circles placed such that both touch each other and also touch the rectangle externally. The diameter of the first circle is 12 units, and the diameter of the second circle is 18 units. And our goal is to find the value of x. Can you solve it? We are told that the diameter of the first circle is 12 units, and the diameter of the second circle is 18 units. So the radius of the first circle is 6 units, and the radius of the second circle is 9 units. Now from the center of the smaller circle, drop a vertical line onto the side of the rectangle. Do the same from the center of the larger circle. This horizontal distance here is 6 units, and this distance here is 9 units. Now if the total length of the rectangle is 20 units, then this remaining part will be 20 minus 9 minus 6, which equals 5 units. But wait, if this part is 5 units, how can the other part be 6 units? Does that mean this problem is impossible? No, it is not impossible. It just means the diagram is not drawn to scale. The actual figure looks a bit different, where the length is this side and the width is this side. That is why it is so important to trust the numbers and not the drawing. Remember, diagrams can sometimes mislead you, but the numbers never lie. So let us redraw this correctly. Now draw a horizontal line from the center of this circle. Label this small piece as y. Notice this piece corresponds to the radius of the smaller circle, so it equals 6 units. Similarly, this part is 9 units. So the total width is x equals 6 plus y plus 9, or 15 plus y. Now look at this right triangle. One side is y, the other side is 5, and the hypotenuse is the sum of the radii, which is 6 plus 9, or 15 units. So we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. 5 squared plus y squared equals 15 squared. That is 25 plus y squared equals 225. So y squared equals 225 minus 25, which equals 200. Therefore y equals the square root of 200, which is approximately 14.14 units. Now substituting this back, we get x equals 15 plus 14.14, which equals 29.14 units. And that is our answer. Pretty cool, right? If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.